Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fudge without an oven. This incredibly easy method lets you create a delightful, creamy treat with minimal effort and no baking required. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can whip up a batch of rich, decadent fudge using just a few basic ingredients. It's perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth or for a last-minute dessert, and the process is straightforward and fun for everyone to try at home. To get started, you'll need just a few key items. Grab a 12-ounce bag of your favorite chocolate chips, along with one 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. For extra richness and flavor, have 4 tablespoons of butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract ready. You'll also need a microwave-safe bowl for melting, a sturdy spatula for mixing, and an 8 by 8 inch pan, ideally lined with parchment paper for easy removal. The preparation is wonderfully simple. First, line your 8 by 8 inch pan with parchment paper, ensuring some overhang for easy lifting later. In a microwave-safe bowl, combine your chocolate chips and sweetened condensed milk. Microwave this mixture in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each, until it's completely smooth and melted. Finally, stir in the 4 tablespoons of butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then spread the warm fudge evenly into your prepared pan. For truly perfect fudge, a few tips can make all the difference. Opt for high-quality chocolate chips as they significantly impact the final flavor and texture. Make sure your butter and other ingredients are at room temperature for the smoothest blend. Once prepared, chill your fudge for a minimum of 2 to 4 hours, or even overnight, to ensure it sets completely. When ready to serve, use a sharp knife to cut it into neat 1-inch squares for easy enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.